this video, we'll be reviewing the basics of working with Trello. In order to work on DME projects through Trello, you'll need to create an account and either accept an invitation to a board or request access. When you've been invited to a board through email, you simply have to click the link and select to join the board. Here you can see a list of cards grouped into different stacks. When you want to join a project, open the card for that project. Along the side of the card, you'll see a list of different buttons. Click the one that says Join. Once you've joined a card, you'll see your avatar appear under the list of members under the card's title. Next, you may want to add a label to the card. You can use them to indicate your role on a project as well as the status of the card. For example, if you're going to be the graphic designer for this project, you would click on Labels and click the Graphic Designer Assign label to add it to the card. You may need to click Show More Labels to find the one you're looking for. You can also state your role on a project in the comments section. When you have files you want to share with other members of a project, you can attach them to the card using the attachment button on the right. You can attach files from your hard drive, from Trello, or the cloud services listed. You can also attach links. Once attached, your files will appear under the attachments list. To download files, click on the attachment you want to download. For some files, such as Word documents, they will instantly save to your browser's designated download folder. Other files, such as image files, will show you a preview of the image where you can right-click and save. When working on a project, you may need to move cards between stacks. For example, if a project is ready for editing, you can move it from In Progress to the Ready for Editing list. To do this, simply click and hold on the card and drag it to the appropriate stack. Alternatively, you can open the card, scroll down to Move in the sidebar, and select which board and stack you want the card to be moved to. You can also choose your card's position in the stack. To create a card, go to the stack you want to add your card to. Next to the title for that stack, you'll see 3 dots. Click them to see the list of options for that stack and go down to Add Card. A new blank card will appear at the top of the stack. Add your card title, and then from here you can go in and add a description as well as labels, files, and card members. If you want to invite someone to join a Trello board, on the board's main screen, and go up to Invite. Here you can type in the email address of the person you want to invite. You can also create a link to the board and share it that way. Simply hit Create Link, then hit Copy. You can now send this link in an email or share to a group chat.